Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do me a favor by clicking on that subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's take a look at AUD USD for this week, right? Now let's start with this movement. We can see that AUD kind of is rejecting at this bottom level, and we are seeing a bullish move. So this week I'll be expecting AUD USD to actually continue that bullish move. So I'll be expecting more bullish move on AUD USD. But first, we are very much likely to get a bit of a drop before price will start going bullish. Basically, I'm going to cover this entry movement, where to take our profits, where to put our stop loss, and where to enter this trade. I'm going to cover it on this Patreon channel. So if in case you're interested in entering this trade, right, you want to profit from it, enter, you can subscribe, because with this trade, I am seeing 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, and basically the risk will be very small compared to our reward. So we are aiming to risk about 40 pips to grab about 130 pips in or 130 to 150 pips. You can see that is about 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio. So I'm going to cover the entry and everything on this channel. So if in case you're interested, the link to this channel will be in the comment section. I want you to sign up, give it a try for just a month, right? Just try it for just a month. I'm going to give you good setup, good quality trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning. That is the trade that I'm going to be putting out. So if in case you're interested, give this channel a try, sign up, and you'll get access to those trades. So with this AUD USD, right, I expect a bit of a drop. So probably that drop will come out to tap these lows, right? Probably we might not get these lows. Price can even, start, giving us a bullish move from here. So everything I want to cover it, right? So we need to be very careful, because we will be expecting some major news this week. As you can see, one will be coming out, which is CB consumer confidence. We'll be having another one on Thursday. You can see it. I think we'll be having another one on Friday, if I'm not wrong. So basically, this news we actually play a very fundamental movement on this AUDS. So we need to be very careful on the entry points and where to take our profits, which I'll be covering everything on this channel. So if in case you're interested, you can sign up. Now, if you don't want, then fine. One thing I know for sure is that AUDUSD will actually give us a bullish move. We should be expecting a bullish move. AUDUSD should actually close, bullish, but first a drop should play out before we start expecting that bullish move on AUD USD.